The symptoms of mesothelioma. Science has advanced so much that we get to know about the symptoms and causes of diseases so that we can protect ourselves from them. Medical science has also laid down some very important mesothelioma symptoms that, if acknowledged, must be immediately acted upon. Symptoms of peritoneal mesothelioma. Weight loss is a very prominent symptom of mesothelioma. Weight you lose during this cancer isn't just some pounds. It is an excessive weight loss which makes you extremely weak and thin. Pleural effusion is also one of the mesothelioma symptoms. Pleural effusion means that there is a liquid inside your chest that surrounds the lungs and makes it very hard to breathe. A lot of people might suffer from anemia when the cancer is developing inside their bodies. Anemia itself is a disease that just can't be tolerated. While coughing, a lot of people might throw up blood from their mouths. Abdominal swelling might also happen when the cancer develops in your body. People might also suffer some problems during the functioning of their bowels. Symptoms of pleural mesothelioma. A lot of people having mesothelioma have difficulty breathing. If they have this cancer in the lining of their lungs, they would definitely be short of breath at most times. Chest pain is also one of the most common mesothelioma symptoms. Chest pain is also due to the cancer present inside the chest wall linings. Fatigue is also one of the greatest mesothelioma symptoms. A person might get tired after doing a little bit of work and might not be able to work any longer. Symptoms of pericardium mesothelioma. This cancer might lead on to other diseases if found in the pericardium. The veins in the body might be clotted with blood, while this cancer gives rise to new diseases inside other organs of the body. Mesothelioma symptoms might also include the bleeding of other organs of the body. Internal or external mesothelioma also causes jaundice to build inside the body. The yellowing of skin, eyes and other fatigue issues might be one of the serious symptoms. Diagnosis of mesothelioma. All the cancers in the world aren't incurable. The cancers are fatal, but that doesn't mean you should give up on your life and get ready to die. Mesothelioma might be difficult to diagnose, yet the diagnosis isn't completely impossible. The problem lying in the diagnosis is that almost all the symptoms of the cancer are similar to symptoms of other diseases as well. You might as well say that mesothelioma symptoms are not very easy to differentiate from other disease symptoms. The diagnosis of the patient likely to have mesothelioma is started off by having a look at his medical history. All the diseases he had and his records of them are looked at. The only thing that makes doctors suspicious of the patient having mesothelioma is if they find silicate minerals inside his lungs. But even then, doctors aren't quite sure of the patient having this cancer. After medical reports from the past, doctors have a look at the physical appearance of the patient. They try to examine him completely by just having a professional look at him. Then the patient gets to have an X-ray done followed by a CAT scan. Some of the patients are often advised to get lungs functional tests done by the clinic or hospital. If the doctors find a lot of fluid inside the chest walls or the pericardium of the patient, they try to evacuate the body cavity by pulling this fluid-like substance out. They might perform an operation in this manner, and if they are successful, the patient might be free from cancer forever. Differential diagnosis for different areas. The location of mesothelioma is different in different people. Some might have it in the abdomen. The others might have it in their chest. The doctors perform different sorts of tests and scans in order to diagnose the cancer. They might perform thoracoscopy, laparoscopy, thoracotomy, cytopathy. Stay safe. Although we are more sensitive in nature and might be prone to diseases in a way our ancestors were never before, we need to take all sorts of precautions. For example, we can put on a mask if we work in a place where there is a lot of dust and silicate minerals are present in the air. We can also avoid tobacco smoking at all so that no cancer in our lungs gets developed. Little precautions taken at the national level might even eradicate this fatal cancer from our precious world. So why not do it?